The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Enrolling. Hello everyone and welcome to how to draft a basic bodice pattern from scratch using specific measurements. Hi, my name is Nino and I'm your instructor. I have a feeling that most of you, well, a lot of you, I should say, have taken my previous courses in pattern making and draping and sketching, branding, and etc. So I'm not going to get into too much of my profile. I graduated from FIT in New York City, worked in the industry for many, many years, and I was teaching at FIDM, the Fashion Institute in Los Angeles. And then fast forward, I'm now teaching online courses in fashion designing for you guys. So here we are. Who is this course for? Well, quite a large variety of students. Let me explain. If you're just starting out in fashion designing, this is the foundation, right, of pattern making. Pattern making is an essential technique and principles in designing. So this is the first step in creating a pattern, right? So if you're a student, a brand new student who's venturing into the world of fashion designing, this is definitely for you. Now, if you're a little more advanced and you do have patterns and you say, well, you know, I know how to manipulate patterns, but I want to make clothes for myself, then I'm going to teach you how to take specific measurements, right? And then thirdly, if you have a significant other, a sister, a friend, a client, a customer who wants to have you design a specific garment for her, then you need to take measurements of your customer. I'm going to show you how to do that. And lastly, if you are one of those students who's been asking me for years now how to take measurements and create your own patterns from scratch, well, this is definitely for you. So welcome. This whole process of measuring and transferring these measurements onto paper and all that, it's a very lengthy process, meaning it takes a long time. So obviously, I'm gonna break it into 4 or 5 minute videos so that you can easily digest the material. And remember, this is a video. If you don't get it the first time, pause, rewind, watch it again until it's perfect. Also, there's a lot of numbers, math. So be patient. It might be a little challenging trying to figure out, you know, what is half of 2 3/4 and all that. So just hang in there. I'll show you how to do all that stuff, okay? Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.